freedom fighter who bravely fought against British domination in India. He was superhero for all the people. So let's remember him and proud to be an Indian. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friend, wishing you all a 75th Independence Day. Thank you. Good afternoon all of you, respected teachers and you my dear brothers and sisters. I wish you a very happy Independence Day. We all know today we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. As an IAS officer, I also known as collector, our country facing many challenges like social issues and anti-social elements like drugs, bribe, money laundering, terrorism and climate change, etc. As an IAS officer, I would strive for curb these issues. I strictly enforce acts against these issues in my jurisdiction. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Savitribai Phule. I want to talk about Savitribai Phule. She was an Indian social reformer and educationalist. She is regarded as the first female teacher of India. Savitribai Phule was born 3rd January 1831 in the village of Naigaon in Satara. In 1840, Savitribai Phule was married to 13-year-old Jyoti Rao Phule. In 18th century, women were not allowed to read and write. In such a situation, Mahatma Phule started the first school. She became the first woman to teach in a girls' school. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good afternoon to all the respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. I will not surrender my Jhansi. I shall protect my people from the Britishers. If defeated or killed on the battlefield, we shall earn eternal glory and salvation. We fight for independence. Jai Hind. Thank you. Happy 75th Independence Day, everyone.
Chandranath Datta. People call me Swami Vivekananda. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. On this auspicious day of 75th Independence Day, I would like you to remember this one important thing in life. All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Just believe in yourself. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Manpower without unity is not a strength. It is in my nature to be a friend of the friendless. Jai Hind.
Good afternoon to Madam, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I would like to wish her a very happy Independence Day. The Constitution of India was drafted by me. I am considered as the chief architect of the Constitution of India was. Lastly, remember that life should be great rather than long. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Teachers, stars and children. I am Alluri Sita Ramaraju. I born on July 4th, 1897 and popularly known as Aggipidugu Alluri. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Respected Madam, teachers, sirs and my dear friends, I am Bhagat Singh. Firstly, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. I am very much happy to see you the independent India. I would like to tell you that freedom is the birthright of every person, so fight for it. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good afternoon to respected Madam, teachers and my dear friends. First, I would like to wish you a happy Independence Day. I am a soldier by profession.
Today on this auspicious occasion, I am here to represent all the soldiers of India. Soldiers protect our country. We are able to live and sleep peacefully in our houses because soldiers protect us by putting their life in danger. A big salute to all the soldiers. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
To respected Madam, teachers, sirs and my dear friends, my name is M. Aditi. I am an IAS officer. It is the most respectful job in India. IAS is the highest level of service in government. IAS officer is a person who takes care of law and orders in the country. It is not only a job, it is a responsibility. It is the greatest job to serve our country. A big salute to all the collectors. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Have a great day.
Very good morning to respected madam, sirs, teachers and all my elders. Hello friends, I am a bank manager working in Canara Bank. I am a community helper. You deposit your money in our bank, your money is safe and secure in our bank. I give you housing loans, vehicle loans, gold loans, educational loans for your needs. I give you passbook, checkbook and ATM cards. I always happy to help you. Thank you. Have a golden day.
Happy 75th Independence Day. I am Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, born on 11 November 1888. I am the Indian freedom fighter. I was the Indian freedom fighter. I was the first education minister of India. I was honored with Bharata Ratna. I was very important person in freedom struggle. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai. To the respected madam, sir, teachers and all my dear friends, I am Alfa Manal Fatima. Doctors are most important community helpers in our society. Doctors work in hospitals and clinics. A doctor is a person who treats and cures sick and injured people. I use stethoscope to check the heartbeat of the people. The white color coat is a doctor's dress. We all know the time of coronavirus, how the doctors help the people and save their life. 1st July is celebrated as Doctors Day in India. Thank you. Have a healthy life. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
आजा आजा दिल शामी आने के तले आजा दीवारे नीले आसमाने के तले.
Thank you children, thank you for your wonderful performance. మన భారతదేశం స్వాతంత్రాన్ని సాధించి 75 వసంతాలు పూర్తి చేసుకున్న సందర్భంగా మన దేశ గొప్పతనాన్ని, మన స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధుల గురించి వివరించడానికి మన ముందుకు వస్తున్నాడు 3వ తరగతి నిహాల్.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు నిహాల్. నేను 3వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. శ్రీయుత గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మరియు నాతోటి విద్యార్థులకు నా హృదయపూర్వక 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు అనగా 1947 ఆగస్టు 15న మన దేశానికి స్వాతంత్రం లభించిన రోజు. పూర్వం కొన్ని సంవత్సరాల క్రితం బ్రిటిష్ వారు మన భారతదేశానికి వ్యాపారం అనే పేరుతో వచ్చి మనల్ని బందీలుగా చేసుకొని 200 సంవత్సరాలు పరిపాలించారు. వారిని మన భారతదేశం నుంచి తరిమి కొట్టడానికి ఎంతోమంది స్వాతంత్ర సమరయోధులు పోరాటం చేశారు. వారిలో గాంధీజీ, భగత్ సింగ్, సర్దార్ వల్లభాయ్ పటేల్, సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్ మొదలైన వారు ముఖ్యంగా చెప్పుకోదగ్గ వ్యక్తులు. కావున ఈ రోజున మరోసారి ఆ గొప్ప వ్యక్తులను గుర్తు చేసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది. చివరగా భారతదేశ పౌరునిగా దేశ ప్రగతి, అభివృద్ధిలో మన వంతు, మన భాగస్వామ్యం తీసుకొని ఆదర్శ మార్గంలో నడవాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. జై హింద్.
ఈ ఉపన్యాసం ద్వారా మరి ఒకసారి మన స్వాతంత్ర సంఘటనలు జ్ఞాప్తికి తెచ్చినందుకు మా యొక్క ధన్యవాదాలు.
अब हम चलते हैं देश
देशभक्ति समूह गान पर, इसीलिए मैं प्राची एंड ग्रुप कक्षा 3वीं से आमंत्रित करता हूँ कि वो आए और सूर्य में जब तक का संगीत प्रस्तुत करें।
सूर्य में जब तक तपन है, चांद में जब तक चमक है, घर सफेलो तिरंगे, हम तुम्हें झुकने ना देंगे। रंग केसरिया बताता शौर्य का ललकार का श्रम, रंग केसरिया सिखाता त्याग का बलिदान का क्रम। रंग हरियाली ये जो वो हमें है यौ सिखाता, शस्य श्यामल देश अपना भीड़ में भी गुनगुनाता, शस्य श्यामल देश अपना भीड़ में भी गुनगुनाता। रंग ध्वज में श्वेत है जो शांति का संदेश देता, विष्णु हमसे आज तक कभी बुद्ध का संदेश लेता। गरु सफेलो तिरंगे, हम तुम्हें झुकने ना देंगे। गरु सफेलो तिरंगे, हम तुम्हें झुकने ना देंगे। जय हिंद, जय हिंद।
बहुत खूब। इतनी कोमल और मधुर आवाज में प्राची एंड ग्रुप का गीत सुनकर हम में देशभक्ति की भावना और जागृत हो गई। अति अति धन्यवाद।
Believe, not only hear and tell, not only believe. Now let us see and believe. Let us welcome 5th and 6th class friends to perform a dance.
देश के नाते पे सजा के दिल में है बसाया रंग हरा तो खुशहाली का है नयन जगह विकास का उसूलों से है ये बना तिरंगा हमारा तिरंगा प्यारा थोड़े थोड़े तिरंगा शाम थोड़े
Thank you friends for the mind-blowing performance. And as most of us are tired and hungry, we will continue the program after a healthy lunch.
Had your lunch, no?
Good afternoon everyone, welcome back again. We'll just dive into the program without wasting our time. Nothing is worth more than this day. As it is an important day, let's welcome D. Kaustubh of 4th.
Good afternoon to one and all. I am D. Kaustubh, studying in grade 4. I am very happy to have an opportunity to express my thoughts on this auspicious occasion of Independence Day. This is our 75th Independence Day celebrations. Just 75 years ago, we got independence from the British rule. Independence Day is very important for every Indian. India got independence on 15th August 1947. We all should be proud to be Indians. From 1857 to 1947, history has noticed several revolutions and sacrifices of our great leaders and freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Alluri Sitaram Raju, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad and millions of others whose names are not even well known, but they fought to make India free from the colonial rule of Britishers. Freedom is a precious gift of our freedom fighters. Our responsibility doesn't come to an end by celebrating it today. We all should respect our national flag. Freedom is utmost important, hence we should know how to protect it. A very happy Independence Day to one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you Kaustubh for your valuable words.
वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, वो जिंदगी ही क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, और वो मौत ही क्या जो तिरंगे में ना लिपटी हो। तो आइए अब मैं तनीश रेड्डी कक्षा 4 से आमंत्रित करती हूँ कि वो आए और अपनी बात बताएं।
प्रणाम, मेरा नाम एस तनीश रेड्डी है। मैं 4वीं कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। माननीय महोदया प्रधानाध्यापिका को, आदरणीय शिक्षकगण और मेरे प्यारे साथियों, आप सभी को 75 स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज 15 अगस्त है। आज का दिन हम सबके लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। अपने आज़ादी के लिए बहुत से वीरों ने अपने बलिदान दिया है। अपने आज़ादी को दर्शाने के लिए सभी भारतीय इस दिन को खुशी से मनाते हैं। इस वर्ष स्वतंत्रता दिवस को 75 वर्षगांठ को भारत सरकार आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव का तौर पर मना रही है। आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव का अर्थ है स्वतंत्रता की 75 वर्ष पूरे करना। उस कार्यक्रम को देश के युवाओं को आगे आने और हमारे लोकतंत्र की सच्ची भावना को आत्मसात करने तथा भारत की आज़ादी के 75 साल को पूरे जोश के साथ मनाने के लिए उन्हें प्रोत्साहित करने के उद्देश्य से तैयार किया गया है। अंत में मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आज़ादी जो हमें इतनी चुनौतियों का सामना करना एवं अपने सारे सुखों को टक्कर मारकर प्राप्त हुई है, हमें उसका सम्मान करना चाहिए, जिससे भारत उन्नति की नई ऊंचाइयों को छू सके। एक शायर में खूब कहा है, तिरंगा लहराएंगे, भक्ति गीत गुनगुनाएंगे, वादा करो इस देश को दुनिया का सबसे प्यारा देश बनाएंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद तनीश రెడ్డి।
భారతదేశం యొక్క వైభవాన్ని తమ పాట రూపంలో వర్ణించడానికి విచ్చేస్తున్నారు మా 4 మరియు 5వ తరగతి చిన్నారులు।
నిర్మలసురగంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లులు విలసిల్లిన నిలయం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం నిర్మలసురగంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లులు విలసిల్లిన నిలయం ఉత్తరాన ఉన్నతమై హిమగిరి శిఖరం దక్షిణాన నెలకొన్నది హిందూ సముద్రం తూర్పు దిశ పొంగి పొరలే గంగ సాగరం పశ్చిమాన అనంతమై సింధు సముద్రం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం నిర్మలసురగంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లులు విలసిల్లిన నిలయం ఒకే జాతి సంస్కృతి ఒకటున్న ప్రదేశం రత్నగర్భ పేరుగన్న భారతదేశం ధీర పుణ్య చరితలున్న ఆలయ శిఖరం సత్య ధర్మ శాంతులున్న ప్రేమ కుటీరం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం కోకిలమ్మ పాడగలదు జాతీయ గీతం కొండ కోన వాగు పాడు సంస్కృతి గీతం గుండె గుండె కలుసుకొనుటే సమరస భావం చేయి చేయి కలిపితేనే ప్రగతుల తీరం భారతదేశం మన జన్మ ప్రదేశం భారతఖండం ఒక అమృత భాండం నిర్మలసురగంగాజల సంగమ క్షేత్రం రంగుల హరివిల్లులు విలసిల్లిన నిలయం
భారతదేశ గొప్పతనాన్ని మీ పాట రూపంలో మరి ఒక్కసారి స్మరించేలా చేసినందుకు గాను మా యొక్క ధన్యవాదాలు.
Musical instruments are the objects which carry the human minds to certain heights. It is the highest form of worship. So here comes Ishan Sharma from 6th class to entertain us by playing the piano.
तो अब गुनगुने गीत को प्रस्तुत करने के लिए ज्ञान दीपिका एंड ग्रुप को कक्षा चौथी से आमंत्रित करता हूं कि वो आए और ए वतन का गीत प्रस्तुत करें।
वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू हे वतन मेरे वतन हे वतन मेरे वतन तेरे रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। हे वतन मेरे वतन, हे वतन मेरे वतन, हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। हे वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। हे वतन मेरे वतन, हे वतन मेरे वतन। जय हिंद जय भारत।
बहुत खूब ज्ञान दीपिका एंड ग्रुप को जो वतन के माध्यम से हमें प्रोत्साहित किया।
స్వాతంత్ర సమరంలో ఎంతో మంది అమరవీరులను గుర్తు చేసుకుంటూ వాళ్ళ గాథలను చెప్పడానికి చిన్న ఉపన్యాసం ద్వారా మీ ముందుకు వస్తుంది మన 4వ తరగతి శ్రీనిధి.
నమస్కారం, నా పేరు ఎం శ్రీనిధి. నేను 4వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. శ్రీయుత గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు, ఉపాధ్యాయులందరికీ, నాతోటి విద్యార్థులకు 75వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు మనకు స్వాతంత్రం వచ్చిన సుదినం. బ్రిటిషు వారు బ్రతుకు తెరువు కోసం వచ్చి మనల్ని బానిసలుగా చేసి 200 సంవత్సరాలు మనల్ని, మన దేశాన్ని పాలించారు. గూఢాచారి వ్యవస్థను ప్రవేశపెట్టిన సుభాష్ చంద్రబోస్, తనకు తాను శిక్ష వేసుకున్న చంద్రశేఖర్ ఆజాద్, ఇలా వీరందరూ స్వాతంత్రం కోసం పోరాడిన సమర యోధులు. అందులో బ్రిటిష్ పాలకులు వారి సైన్యం రహస్యం తెలుసుకున్నటకు అనగా గూఢాచారులుగా పనిచేసిన వారు సరస్వతి రాజారాణి మరియు నీరా ఆర్య. నీరా ఆర్య గాంధీకి మించిన స్వాతంత్ర సమర యోధురాలు. భగత్ సింగ్ ప్రేరణతో బ్రిటిష్ వారిని వణికించింది. ప్రాణాలు తోడసున్న వారికి తల వంచలేదు. గుండెల్లో గుణపాలు గుచ్చిన నేతాజీ ఎక్కడున్నారు తెలుపమంటే తెల్లవాడి ముఖంపై ఉమ్మేసిన వీరమణిత. ప్రపంచం మెచ్చిన ఏకైక నిర్భయశాలి స్వాతంత్ర నాయకురాలు నీరా ఆర్య. నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చిన ప్రధానోపాధ్యాయులకు ధన్యవాదాలు. జై హింద్.
మాకు తెలియని ఎన్నో విషయాలను చెప్పినందుకు గాను మీకు మా ధన్యవాదాలు.
Actions are windows through which we can look into the heart of a person. Let us welcome 7th class friends on the stage to perform a dance.
दिल को सब ये ज़मीं चूम कर सब कहो झूम कर। ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन ये समा ये बहार दिल विदा जान सा। ऐ वतन जान जा जान मन ये समा ये बहार दिल फिदा जान सा। जलवा तेरा जलवा तौबा मेरी तौबा। मेरी निगाहें करती है, मेरी निगाहें करती है तेरे कदमों पे सजना। जलवा तेरा जलवा, तेरा जलवा, तेरा जलवा, जलवा।
అజ్ఞానాన్ని తొలగించారు. మన భారతదేశ గొప్పతనాన్ని ఇంత చక్కటి పాట రూపంలో అందించినందుకు గాను మీకు మా ధన్యవాదాలు.
Marie Curie once said, "Nothing in the life is to be feared. It is only to be understood." The Sangamitra students are very daring and they live with the goal and try to fulfill the goal. Let us now watch an English skit by the students from 9th and 10th classes.
Good afternoon to one and all present over here. We, the students of 9th and 10th classes, are here to perform a skit on the occasion of Independence Day. On one fine day in Sangamitra High School, class teacher enters 10th class on 15th August. Teacher is in a very interactive mode and starts talking to students. She tries to know their ambitions. The scene is as follows.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you all?
Fine, teacher.
As you all know the importance of the day, today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. I hope you all are participating in one or the other event. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
So now let us come to our topic. This is, as you all remembered, this is your final year. You all are on the verge to complete your school life. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
To achieve something in your life, this is the high time to set your goals. Are you all having your goals?
Yes, teacher.
So how many of you wanted to become teachers? Only one? Only one wanted to become a teacher?
Yes, teacher.
As you all know that a teacher profession is said to be the noble profession, and only one have chosen that. Okay, fine. How will you serve your country?
My ambition is to become a teacher and get a government job and teach the villagers who do not know how to read and write. By teaching the villagers, I want to render my service towards my nation.
Very good. All the best. How many of you wanted to become doctors? How will you serve your country?
I want to become a welfare doctor and treat the poor and physically disabled people for zero cost.
Okay, what about you?
As a doctor, I want to go to house in villages to treat poor people as they can't afford city hospitals.
Very good. All the best. Now, how many of you wanted to become lawyers?
Only one.
How will you serve your country?
I'll serve my country by giving justice to the poor people. Nowadays, many rich people are showing wrong reports and winning the cases. So I want to stop that and give justice to the people.
Very good. All the best. How many of you wanted to become police officers?
Teacher, I want to be a traffic police specific teacher.
Why have you chosen that?
Because there are many children of my age riding bikes and cars outside on road. They don't know the serious consequences they are going to face. So I just want to eradicate it.
Good selection. All the best. Most important factor. How many of you wanted to serve your country by joining Indian Army? Very good. How will you serve your country?
Teacher, we want to serve our country by protecting our borders from China and Pakistan. We want to sacrifice our lives for our country.
Very good. All the years, and you all are clear about it. I hope that you all come with flying colors in your life. Thank you, children.
Let us see if they kept their promise to their teacher. The little girl who wanted to be a government teacher is standing where she always wanted to. After her shift in a nearby government school, she goes to a village to teach kids who are illiterate and poor to afford a formal education. Teacher goes around the village in order to call all the students to one place.
Teacher is here. Good afternoon, students. Hi. What is your name?
Name means
Name ante peru. మీ పేరు తెలుసా?
నా పేరు చిన్నమ్మ.
Yours? And yours?
My name is Mallamma.
Yours? My name is Yellamma. Do you know how to write your name?
No.
What? But why? What's the reason?
We didn't go to school. Our parents did not allow us to go to school because we are not having any money.
Okay, from today I am going to teach you how to read and write.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, will you take any fee?
No, I am not going to take any money because I promised my teacher 10 years back that without taking any money, I want to render my service towards the nation. Is it fine?
Okay, teacher.
So whenever I ring this bell, you all need to come here and sit at 5 p.m.
5 p.m. ante teacher.
5 p.m. ante సాయంత్రం 5 గంటలు. Is it fine?
Okay, teacher.
Thank you, class.
Bye, teacher.
Invisible God to people. He is the one who does not give up even if the patient is on the verge of death. The boy who wanted to be a doctor has pursued many specialized courses in medicine. Now he is one among the leading doctors. Though he has a busy job in a top hospital, he still finds time to run a clinic for poor people. He wants to make his town free of people dying because of poor financial conditions.
Good afternoon.
There are patients waiting for you outside.
You note down their names?
Yes, sir.
Okay, call them. How can I help you?
I am fed up of him. He is saying that after his every meal, he wants food again. How should I feed him every 10 minutes?
I am very hungry. Give me something to eat.
You have got something back to eat. Okay, currently we don't have anything, but I'll inject him with the hunger injection.
Okay, doctor.
Give me something.
Okay, now I have injected him with the hunger injection. Now I'll prescribe you few medicines, give them.
Okay, doctor.
If he feels alright, then it's okay, or else visit me back.
What's your fees, doctor?
No, I'm a welfare doctor, I'll not take any fees.
Sir, please have a seat.
How can I help you?
Sir, he's having some disease, sir.
Like what?
He's awaking at the night and sleeping in the day, sir.
How can I help you? What to do?
Sir, he prescribed him some medicine.
Okay, but he can do any other work, right?
Which one, sir?
Like a watchman or a gatekeeper.
How dare you! I'm an educated person as well as a software engineer.
Calm down.
And you will ask me to work as a watchman?
Sir, please have a seat.
Mind your tongue.
Sir, sorry, calm down. My bad. But you can work as a software engineer, right?
Okay, tell me like that. Be in your limits.
Okay, sorry. Take these medicines for a few days. If it's alright, then it's okay, or else visit me.
What is the price, sir? Fees, sir?
No, I'm a welfare doctor. I'll not take any fees. I promised my teacher that I'll work for zero cost.
Thank you.
Being a doctor. Though it's hard, it's noble. Life starts in a hospital and ends in a hospital. Doctors play a vital role in the cycle of life. Girl who dreamt to be a doctor has made her longing into reality. She has strong convictions to bring awareness to rural people and render her service to people who want it the most. She goes house to house knocking to know the people's problems.
Knock knock, is someone there? Yes, who's that? I'm a doctor and I go to house in villages to treat poor people. Is anyone sick in your house? Yes, my sister Chaturya. What happened to her? Since 1 week she is suffering from high fever. What she is eating, she is vomiting that. Can you please tell any medicines for her? Okay, it is common in this season. I'll give her some medicines. She will be alright. Okay, doctor, will you take any fee? No, I don't take any fees. And I'll be coming every week for checkup. Don't worry. Thank you, doctor. Knock, knock. Is someone there?
Yes, who are you?
I'm a doctor.
Okay.
What happened to her?
She's suffering from food poison.
Okay, I'll give her some medicine. She'll be alright.
And still one patient is there in our home. Like she's suffering from short memory loss. Like I'll show you how is that. Bring a glass of water for doctor.
Who are you and why I'm giving you water? Okay, I understand. This is because of lack of sleep and vitamins. I'll give her some vitamin tablets. She'll be alright, and make her to sleep in proper timings.
Okay, thank you.
Knock knock, is someone there?
Anna.
Yes, who is that?
Anna.
I'm a doctor.
Anna.
Yes, my sister, she's suffering from fever and she does not eat anything.
Okay, I'll give her some medicines and make her to eat healthy meals, or else she'll weaken. She'll be weakened.
Thank you, doctor.
An integral part in order to have a justified life. It is promised to all of us in a democratic government, but it is being sidetracked these days. The boy who aspired to be a lawyer is now serving justice to people. He thinks that justice is not a luxury but a necessity, and it's our right. He is striving all his might to give people their rights.
Come in. Have a seat. Tell me what's your problem?
My family members have some acres of land, so that share should be divided into my father, so that equal amount of share is not divided. So today is my case in lawyer in police station. Any lawyer are not supporting me. I came that you will support me, sir.
Yes, I will support you. I promise you, I will give you justice.
Okay, sir, but my brother have a more political power. He is following me every day, sir.
No problem.
Who the hell lawyer is supporting him?
I am supporting him.
See, take this money and don't support him. Just leave this case.
How do I am looking to you? I'm looking like I will take the bribe. I'm a non-commercial lawyer.
Okay. Do you know what is my background?
I don't need to know your background. I have my own background.
I know you know about my political power, but I am calling your best friend.
You call anyone in this world. Best friendship is friendship, profession is profession. He might be my friend, but the love towards my country is in my blood.
Okay, let's see tomorrow in court.
Okay.
Road accidents are kept under control. In absence of them, chaos will engulf the roads. They are the reason why our people are able to reach their homes safely. The boy who wanted to be a traffic police is trying his best to follow guidelines and make people follow them.
Huh? Okay, this is the last time I have to see you on this road, okay? If next time I'll see you, straightly to police station, okay? Now go to your home.
Doctor is needed to save a life, even the role of nurse is profound. With enormous patience and care, she pours life into her patients. The girl who wanted to be a nurse is rendering her service by taking care of mentally retarded children in the village.
Hi, Bhavya. How are you? I'm fine. Shilpa. No, you should not play with that. No, you should not play with that. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. Come. Hey, girl. Come and sit here. Come and sit here. No, you should not do like that. Come. Sit. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hello, auntie. How are you? Hello. Come and sit here. Come. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Hi.
Hi.
How are you? Fine.
Did you have your breakfast?
Did you have your breakfast?
Dosa ante breakfast.
Dosa with chutney.
Dosa with chutney, yeah.
With chutney. Green, red.
With coconut chutney.
Purple color, huh?
No, white color. Open this. Yeah, biscuit.
Biscuit.
I will give. Biscuit. Take this biscuit. Take this biscuit. Take this biscuit. Packet. No. Take this biscuit. Take this.
Packet.
No. No.
Auntie, this broke down.
No, you should eat. With hand you should put into your mouth. Like that, okay? I'm so happy that I'm treating these mentally retarded people, though there are many in our country, but still I'm here, very lucky to treat you without any fees by taking good shelter for you people and good food. Kapchup.
I want purple.
Okay, get
life of a soldier is at stake every second of every day. In spite of the risk, they never turn their backs to the enemy. The only reason we are able to sleep peacefully is because of the Indian Army. They fight for India till their last breath.
Come in, General, come in. We got the information that Pakistan army is going to attack us. Be alert! Alert!
Even though the grounds have turned into bloodbath, they never turn their backs to the enemy. Bhagat Singh once said, soldiers who die on a battlefield are not called as losers, but they're called as warriors. Martyrs die with a sense of pride.
तुमने सडन फायर क्यों स्टार्ट किया? तुम्हें क्या चाहिए?
हमें कश्मीर चाहिए.
जान देंगे मगर देश नहीं. अटैक!
Dear friends, the services of the army is the most important factor in our life. Today we sleep peacefully because of the great sacrifices of our army. You have seen different people having different aims and they have served their country in their own way. A child, a teenager, a man, a senior citizen. Each one of us can serve our country in our own way. If we unite together, then only our country will develop. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you guys. It was really a wonderful skill.